and my strength is gone. You whisper hope into my soul. In the quiet fears, through my falling tears, you remind me I'm not alone. Every promise that you spoke is a light that leads me home. Your love, God, it never fails, never breaks, never walks away. Through the storm, through the flood, I am held by your love. God, your grace falls like morning rain. I am found, I am changed. Forever I'll trust in your love, God. When I lose my way, when I start to doubt, you're still faithful, still the same. You turn my shame into songs of praise. You call my broken heart by name. From the cross to the empty grave, your mercy made a way. Your love, God, it never fails, never breaks, never walks away. Through the storm, through the flood, I am held by your love. God, your grace falls like morning rain. I am found, I am changed. Forever I'll trust in your love, God. Higher than the heavens, deeper than the sea, there's no place I can run where your love won't reach me. Stronger than my fear, closer than my breath, I will stand and wonder at the life you give. Your love, God, it never fails, never breaks, never walks away. Through the storm, through the flood, I am held by your love, God. Now my heart will sing all you've done. I belong, Jesus, I belong to your love, God. I'm safe, I'm known, forever yours alone. In your